Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone in Telegram with a username. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to open Telegram, open chats, and for example you know the username of your friend, of someone, and to add this friend with username you need to simply click on the search bar here and start typing his username. So for example, Peter14 is his username, and so in this list of results will be your friend with this username. So for example, here he is, and to add this person as a friend, or just simply add it, just text him some message and he will be in your chats, and you can just simply hold for a while for this chat and pin this chat, so this friend will always be in the top of the chats. And basically that is it. That is how you can add someone in Telegram with username. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.